I've always known I could do great things. And for 20 years, my wife has stood by my side, faithful, believing in me all the way. But somehow, through the disappointment and fears, our dreams begin to slowly die. In 2017, one of the coldest Decembers I can remember, I lost my grandma and my uncle. I felt like I was rocked to my core. At times, I really didn't know how I was going to make it. But I'm thankful. I feel like God gave me a chance to believe again. I felt like He was saying, life is precious. Don't waste the opportunities I give you. Pursue your dreams with everything you've got. You can't give up now. People are waiting on you. And that fear you feel, it's only an illusion in your mind. When you realize that I'm with you and I'm for you, you'll know that there's nothing that can stop you.